To apply different status bar style in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. So click on the settings button and move down until we see personalization. Inside we want to find the themes. Then select my account right here and go to customize theme. Select the status bar and then you can apply whichever status bar you want to use. But keep in mind that if you cannot find any other status bar than the classic one, you might need to download additional themes. So go into your home and find any theme that you like, but pay attention to the prices, as some of them will cost you money. So go for any free one if you like, and then it will download the status bar if that theme has it, and you can change it as I shown you right in the beginning. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.